computer language, photon, formula translator is the oldest high-level programming language. It was developed by John Backus for IBM in the late 90s. It was popular for its scientific application that require extensive mathematical computations. COBOL, common business oriented language, was developed in the late 1950s and earlier 1960s. It is the second oldest high level programming language and is popular for business applications that run on large computers. Pascal is a high level programming language developed by Nicolas Wirth in the late 1960s. It is named after Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician who made Pascal line. It is a popular teaching language as it uses structured programming techniques. Basic Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code is a beginner's high-level language that was developed in 1964 by John G. Kemeny and Thomas E. Kutz at the Dartmouth College in the US. QBasic you have to know the full form here. QBasic, Quick Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code, has an integrated development environment IDE. C++ is an object-oriented programming language. It was developed by Brajny Stroustrup at AT&T Bell Laboratories in New Jersey, USA in 1980s. Python is a general purpose or interactive object-oriented and high-level programming language. It provides a better structure and support for large programs. The source code is also available under GNU General Public License. It closely resembles the English language. It uses words like not and in. It is a case sensitive programming language. So it is a case sensitive. Upper case and lower case is there, capital or small. So it is a case sensitive language. It uses the word like not and in. Source code is also available under the GNU General Public License. Better be careful. Java, very important. Java is a high level programming language. It was initiated by James Gosling. It was released in 1995 as the core component of Sun Microsystem Java platform. It runs on a variety of platforms such as Windows, MacOS and various versions of Unix. So all this platform means it runs on a variety of operating system like Windows, MacOS and other. Sun Microsystem created a slogan, write once, run anywhere, to exemplify its cross-platform benefit. This means that Java program can be developed, compiled and run on any device. So that is the most useful thing of Java. That's why Java is very important, because it can be developed, compiled and run on any device. Ada is a high-level programming language developed in the late 1970s and earlier 1980s for the United States Defense Department. It is named after Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace. She is considered to be the world's first programmer as she developed programs for Charles Babbage analytical engine, first mechanical computer. ADA was designed to develop everything from business application to rocket guidance system, and hence it supports real-time application. Real-time application is very important. Prolog programming logic is a high-level programming language based on defining then solving logical formulas. A program consists of list of facts and rules. It is used extensively for artificial intelligence application such as expert system. So for artificial intelligence system, Prolog is used. So it is based on defining and then solving logical formulas. SQL, structured query language, is a computer language that stores, manipulates and queries data stored in a database. It was developed in 1974 when a group in IBM developed the first prototype of a relational database. So better understand, learn the full form of each programming language, date when it was developed, and some important key lines for which it was used. So full form is very important. Please do it.